Stakeholders in one St. Andrew community have embarked on a mission to stop gangs from recruiting students in the area. The program, which falls under the Ministry of National Security, has also given some educators a chance to fine-tune their plans for school amidst COVID-19 in September. We have more in this report.
Summer school came to an end at DuPont Primary School in St. Andrew on Friday. But compared to previous years, this summer school was different. For starters, it featured 6th graders. This was a strategy to take the pre-teens off the streets and away from recruiting gangs.
Because we've had the opportunity of doing the analysis and we know where they're all going, we're able to put in place mechanisms to give them support in the high schools that they're going to. What we don't want is for particular schools to be labeled and unfortunately branded as feeder schools for gangs. Now, if we don't start, certainly even with those high schoolers from the first farm group, so you're catching them at grade 6 before they go in, you're able to make that intervention so that they're not easy prey for the gangs. So the intervention, as I said, doesn't stop here. Come first farm for all of these, certainly the boys and girls that are going, all the schools that they're going to, we're going to make sure they have the cadet programs to add a level of discipline.
The summer school program also allowed teachers the chance to simulate what school could be like in September.
The advert is, Alex?
Come in September, all these desks here would be removed and then we would have some proper single chair and desk so that the children can sit more comfortably.
Because of COVID-19, DuPont Primary, like many other schools, will be on shift system come September. Most educators prefer what is called the whole day school model, which usually runs between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. compared to the shift system that runs between 7 a.m. to midday and 12 midday to 5 p.m. Educators say exposing students to more classroom contact time in the whole day system is better for learning. But a teacher at the DuPont Primary sees benefits in a shift system amidst COVID-19.
Normally you will be dealing with 30 odd, some teachers have maybe 40 or so, but now that you are dealing with 15, at least we will have less children in the class and then you can give them more attention. So that is what I'm looking at, the advantages.
Now, the summer school wasn't just about academics and the serious stuff. There was time for games too. After all, it is said all work and no play could make you dull.